Hi, my name is Adam Privet, owner of Midwest Dent Repair. We're Michiana's leader in paintless dent repair. I would like to invite you to come inside our shop where you can learn about hail damage repair on your vehicle. We invite you to relax in our comfortable waiting area where you'll be greeted with a smile. We then go to work with your insurance company to make sure your estimate and paperwork are handled correctly. We help you with everything to make sure things are done right from start to finish. When it's time to begin the repairs on your vehicle, we work efficiently to make sure the job is done in days and not weeks. We know that safety and quality is of the utmost importance. That is why we have the latest in tools, training, and equipment to make sure that not only that your dents disappear, but as your vehicle is brought back to pre-accident condition, your safety systems are checked before and after the repairs are done. We're locally owned and operated. We offer hometown service and a lifetime warranty. Why wait? Contact us today and let us help you make your hail damage disappear.